Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Happen to have on our test stand is another one of our 347s. This one has a CVF full boat pulley system on here. This happens to be a 450 addition to our collection with a carburetor. This one just got done making about 462 horsepower and 459 foot-pounds of torque. Awesome engine. Again, every one of our engines are custom built. If you'd like to have us build you any one of our engines, give us a call and we'll be happy to set you up with what we build you one great motor. Thank you. How's that for firing up? Beautiful air fuel ratios, oil pressure, everything.